my channel. In this video we will unbox hot glue gun and I will show how it works. Let it heat up for 5 minutes. Always use electric appliances under parents' guidance. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe for more interesting videos. Thank you. See you in the next video.